Next up, Team Dettol ke Dhule from IMT Ghaziabad. So over to you guys. All the best.
So we took up the case of Move, wherein our problem statements were: first, the younger consumers feel that Move is an older brand or a mother's brand, and they're looking for something more energetic. And second, the Me Too generic pain relief brands, they give very high margins to retailers, and they push their brands. So this results in a loss in market share and volume. Now for further insights, we did primary research with around about 150 people, and we got some crucial insights like stickiness and strong odor are major inconveniences. Then millennials are ready to pay a premium for natural products. And another very critical insight was more than 80% Indian women, they need to work through menstrual cramps because they fear long-term side effects of painkillers. When we look at the pain relief category, there are no major differentiating factors across all the products because majority of them have 1.2% diclofenac and menthol oil. So if we want to create brand pull for Move, then we will have to leverage some points of differentiation, some PODs. And to leverage these PODs, we are suggesting 3 new products. Our first product is menstrual pain relief cream, and it is a flagship product which can be applied on stomach, thighs and back to relieve the menstrual cramps. Then our second product is the pain relief tape. So this is an odor-free solution, and it has a unique ointment release mechanism so that it will keep releasing ointment into the skin for about 4 to 5 hours. Then a final product, aloe spray or aloe roll-on under the Move Naturals line. Now my colleague Arjun will take over.
Thank you, Anushka. So I would now like to highlight a new aspect, which is sustainability across our products. So there are 3 S's of emission, and we are focusing on scope 3 emission. So as you can see, we have made a prototype where we are removing paper packaging from the Move products, and we will keep a product holding case across retailers and chemists. So by strategically placing these product holding case at the billing counter, we are targeting the subconscious mind of consumers, where convenience is a major factor. And only secondary packaging will be removed, while these will be sent to chemists and retailers in cardboard boxes. And the parameters on which we are going to judge this is impact on revenue. So the revenue saved on packaging will go into advertisement and innovation.
So thank you, Arjun. Now we'll start with the go-to-market strategy. For the distribution of newer products, you would want to distribute to 3 places: quick commerce, e-commerce, and the general trade. So all these 3 platforms, they will help us getting into trials as well. So this is the channel strategy. Coming to the communication side, we have 5-phase plan, which is awareness to social media, visibility to chemist trials, product launch by athletes, as my colleague mentioned, promotion on a wholesale level and a distributor level, and then full-fledged distribution across the nation. We are looking at a sales revenue of 80 crore Indian rupees. I would like to end our presentation with Move hai to Zindagi Aasan. Thank you.
Thank you so much, IMT Ghaziabad.
I'll start with one question. So how do you differentiate between your product one, which is for menstrual pain, and the last one, which is Move Naturals? So what is the key difference in proposition from a consumer standpoint, basis the benefit to the consumer?
Sure. So ma'am, the menstrual pain cream, it will have triloamide salicylate and chamomile oil. So these products are used in the existing products, which are very niche brands. So that is for the Move cream. And for the aloe naturals, you'll be using aloe juice and spray juice for the creation of the Move roll-on. And so that when people apply it, they don't feel the burning sensation. So if, for instance, if someone falls down, their skin also tears up and they have the muscle pain. So when you apply Move on that, it causes a very burning sensation. So that is that intent that we're trying to cover right now.
Thank you so much, IMT Ghaziabad.